Igbo kwenu. Tata asi mange me ifendio Igbo na po OOTD. Outfit of the day na Igbo. Maka why not? Abumoni Igbo. As you can see, this bubu dress. Oh, bubu. Ilinka, email stress yourself about anything. Aqua. Go from Mactopus clothing. Oh, oh, dim. Mactopus go dim. Dim ma. Eh. Just they go do this beauty. Just name him not the rich auntie vibe because why not? I'm a rich auntie. I'm a rich auntie. Just nego do. Oh, dim mama call him this beauty, this beautiful ashoke. Unye mama maka because just really this cloth this office staff minor in a good husband. A husband na like he can look good. So tata no see can you this beautiful bubu dress. Ashoke bubu by Mactopus. Yes. Kansi Kumbu, Mactopus Budim. Because all the ladies out there, because Nurudi Dima, because Dim Chuku goes with that man. Because they go do no rich auntie. Hey, they go do beauty. Go summa. Ego vinuma. Because I got full in our next OOTD. Kanjeme. Bye.